What's going on YouTube? Your boy Forex Fargo checking in. Yes, as you can already tell by the thumbnail, I am back again with another motherfucking banger. This right here is the best Fargo flip I've done to date. It is $100 deposit with the return of 1,300% ROI, which is your return on investment. That actually netted me about $1,350 profit. So come with me. I'll show you guys as I, got these pips. I actually did a free webinar. If you didn't, I'll put the link to this bio and shit like that. It'll be down below. And next time, be proactive, all right? We understood that it was elections coming up and we know that there's a lot of volatility, but what are we going to do? We're not going to be scared. We're going to stick with the technical analysis and analytical side of things. And what are we going to do? We're going to, fuck the fundamentals. We're just going to keep our risk, all right? So dive in, stay tuned, and let's catch these pips, baby. What's going on, everyone? Forex Fargo checking in. This is gonna be how I took this $100 micro account flip all the way up to $1,350 profit. This is probably, today since I've recorded my best, Fargo flip. Shout out Declan, for actually, giving me that name. Well over 1,000 pips caught. 1,300% ROI. That's our return on interest. I withdrew, 1,000 of that. These are definitely mostly swing ideas. All of these trades that I took, I actually went over before I even, they were mostly swing trades. However, all of the pairs that I took, if you guys see at the bottom, I posted this, November 1st of 2020. It's only got 64 views. Not really tripping about that. However, you guys missed the opportunity to catch, the same amount of pips that I did, right? So, with that being said, next time there is, something, I post a video, turn on your post notifications so, you're not missing out whether or not you take the trades or not, So jumping back into it, a lot of these trades were, some of them were entered off of break and retest of structures after 10:45 p.m. Monday night after RBA statement. And I say that because that is, sometimes when you enter trades, time is actually, important, right? So the RBA statement came out, the interest rates got slashed, to like 10%, 0.10%. That was expected. So with that being expected, what happened is price created, a whipsaw between 30 pips on a lot of these pairs, some of them a little bit more. I entered, when I felt comfortable. And then a lot of these trades, like I said, most of them are swing trades, and I've held them for probably 6 to 8 hours. Usually when I do a Fargo flip in the back, in the past, I've usually when I've done a Fargo flip in the past, it's usually been like 48 to 72 hours when I fold the trade. All right. So anyways, the pairs traded have been AU, EU, GU, GJ, gold, and I threw a S&P 500 trade in there, right? Just switching the screen real quick so you guys can see. If you are not in the Telegram, it is free, so there is no no cost to you. However, I posted this chart on Monday. If you guys look at this, right? So this chart was posted on Monday or Sunday, I believe, November 1st at 8:41. 151 people saw it. I have 500 plus people, right? Look at this. I gave you an idea where, you could enter the buy. This eclipse pretty much is, my area of interest. So I said that there was a buy limit. I actually caught a nice buy limit. Got stopped out, a little bit earlier. So the price I had to enter was around 770, like 300 or so, right? So with that being said, you guys were able to capitalize on some pips. I even posted the chart today. If you guys even followed along with the analysis, right? All of these TPs I got hit. So literally this was probably a 1 to 15 plus risk reward when you have the proper trade, and this all happened within the daily candle, aka 3 session. So it happened during momentum started picking up during Asian session, right? And then during London, we started getting some great movement, and then it just fucking blew up during the New York session, right? So yeah, diving into this, as you guys can see, right? As I was stating, I was able to capitalize on this for probably about 100 and 40, 50 pips or so. Once price kind of got right here, I was kind of paying attention and making sure that I've taken most of my position off. This time around, I've grown and become confident in my trading. So me dropping 0.75s and dollar lot sizes, I know that this seems extra high risk management. It is. These Fargo flips are meant for me to motivate you all. I don't care if I end up blowing a $50 or $100 account. Shit happens. You know what I mean? I'm not losing all my capital. I'm just trying to create content. So we actually had a great just a great day, and a lot of people were afraid to trade on election. I'm not afraid to trade on election. I'm just making sure that all of my positions are closed out, which they fucking are. All right. So yes, that's just AU. GJ, I believe I entered GJ somewhere, once price broke around this zone, or when price was kind of flirting over here. So I was able to capitalize maybe on, like, I'm not sure if it was like 100 or something, but I don't know. I caught a little bit of under 100 pips on GJ. I didn't catch any of this AJ right here, right? EU, I caught EU exactly from this blue eclipse, and maybe I had buys a little bit earlier than that, but just got stopped out. So I was able to capitalize on, maybe 40, 50 pips, but I had a few different positions. Took my partials and let some positions run. If you guys follow along with this as well, yes, it seems that you entered right there, but if you actually follow along with the analysis right here, you could have caught upwards of 50 to 75 pips, for being modest. Another pair that was traded. I didn't really talk about this pair, but I did trade this pair. It was just on a separate account. I traded this NU pair. This NU pair, I was probably able to grab like 100 pips or so. And the other pair that we traded, one second. Oh, don't know where it went, but it was AU, GJ, EU, GU. We had a gold trade, right? So I believe I caught gold somewhere, around this 1900 level, and was just trying to catch it, for like 80, 90 pips or something like that. So we were able to capitalize on gold. And like I said, a lot of the things with me as a trader, I've been trading since on and off since 2016. I actually put down trading probably, probably 3 or 4 times before I took it serious. And this time I took it serious. I've been profitable for a year and a half. A lot of people are always, pushing me to, do more, and I am doing more. FTMO coming soon. I'll make a video on the first time I did take it and was extra confident in the beginning of, I think it was September, October. I ended up failing the challenge. I realized I need to take a step back, still, doing what works for me. My micro account flips work for me. I know I have a larger account that I don't show, that I'm able to take, smaller positions out of. So at the end of the day, do what works for you. I will see you guys on the next one. All right. And this is exactly how Forex Fargo was able to, once again, let me see if I can find this. Forex Fargo was able to, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, right. So Forex Fargo was able to capitalize on a $100 micro account flip to $1,350 profit, over 1,000 pips caught, 1,300% ROI, $1,000 withdrawal. All right, Forex Fargo checking out. I will catch you guys on the next one. Remember, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and always, if you could, turn on post notifications. And it doesn't hurt to, just spread the word by word of mouth. All right. So we'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, baby. Hey, Fargo back. All right, so this is the initial $100. You're not really able to see the fact that I did deposit the $100. You'll see it a little bit later, but right here you can see that it's reflective. You're also noticing some progression, a few screenshots. This video, I don't really have a lot of the charts because I was just focusing on making sure that I got it done right. However, if you're able to see, with the $100 account that I was able to, successfully flip up to more than $1,000 profit. With my confidence growing, I was able to up the lot sizes, and that comes with confidence. Okay, so this is just a quick clip that I was posting to my IG story on South Shore Dip and Forex Fargo. I gotta not let the audio play for copyright, but as you can see right here, you know, floating equity before I took profits. And this right here is going to be the reflection of the $100 deposit, the $1,300, and then the money that was withdrawn. All right, so Forex Fargo checking out. I'll catch you guys on the next Fargo flip.